When my wife buys me a pineapple, doggone it, I'm going to make a cocktail that goes in said pineapple. So today we're making Alex Smith's the Mastadon. All right, 3 ounces of pineapple juice squeezed from that very same pineapple, and then half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and then follow that up with 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Make sure it's syrup and not the puree. Most stores that I go to has the puree, but it gets real chunky. It's not really a great drink. All right, and now a really unique ingredient here, half an ounce of Licor 43. It's kind of a vanilla-forward liqueur. Sometimes I wonder if you could just substitute vanilla on that. But anyway, half an ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. I know some of you guys call it Maraschino, but I'm from Wisconsin. We say Maraschino up here, right or wrong. And then 1.5 ounces of your favorite blended aged rum. I'm using Eldorado 8 here, which is a nice all-around go-to. And then we're using something other than rum in here. It's 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Guys, for the price point, we love Evan Williams. I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for that, but whatever. And then 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters right in the glass there. And we're gonna mix this up with about 12 ounces of crushed ice. Shake it really well. And I know you're all waiting for me to tell you why it's called the Mastadon. And you know what? I don't know. I can't find any information, but you know what? This drink is delicious. It's got a lot of booze in it. It's served in a pineapple. I mean, what else could you ask for in a tiki drink? Anyways, till next time, Jeff from Tiki Drinks at Home.